Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. I'm working on the 2009 CC and we're having an issue with it. So I'm getting this error message. It doesn't come on all the time. It's from time to time it pops up, sometimes it doesn't. It's freaking annoying. My cousin took it to the shop. They did some work on the intake manifold. It worked for a little bit, now it's back. But it doesn't come all the time. That's the annoying part. It says, hold on, oil pressure, engine off. So oil pressure, engine off. I don't know. I mean, I've done a lot of research and it could be a bunch of multiple things. The first thing that I thought it was, we replaced it. Same. So what I'm going to attempt to do, what I'm going to do is the oil pressure switch. Hopefully that fixes it. There's only one way to find out. I mean, that part of we got it from the dealership. I think it's about 50 bucks. But anyway, let's go and start replacing it and hopefully that fixes it. Let's go. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. Boop, it's free. Anyway, let's custom it. Alright guys, so here's the switch we're replacing. Is literally right here. I think this looked like a 17, maybe 19, so that's really all we need. Let me get my tools and then replace it. So guys, it's super easy. I think there's a clip over here. Alright, there you go. There's a clip. You just push the clip and pull it out. Alright guys, you need a 24 socket with a wrench. So it should be fairly easy to take out. All right, so it's barely on. You just need something to untie it. There you go. That's it. Look like there's a little bit of anti-seize on it. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's get the new one. I have a little bit of thread locker. We're gonna put a little bit over here. Just a couple drops. That's it. Okay, now all we have to do is just put it back on. Okay, now let's just snug it. Okay. All you have to do, just snug it, okay? Not too tight. Doesn't need to be too tight. That's it. Put the connector on. So, okay, that's it. So here it is guys, it's installed. So we're gonna drive the car for a couple days and see what happened. If there's any update, I'll just add it to the video as a comment and I'll pin the comment on the top. All right, so let's see what happened. All right guys, so that little quick video is all done. So hopefully that fixes the issue, the oil pressure thing. Anyway, if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to find another way, but for now this video is all done. Like and subscribe, tell me what you think. So until the next time, peace. All right guys, so I finished the video for the 2009 CC and I want to give you a quick update. So the quick update is, I want to say it's been about 3 weeks or so and that error message has not come up. So I think we fixed the issue. These engines are notorious for like burning oil as they get older, so I think the engine is definitely burning oil, but the error wasn't coming on like literally every couple days, every 3 days it was coming on. So now it stopped coming on. Like if it comes on, it's really because it does need a little bit of oil. So I think we fixed the issue, so I'm pretty happy about that. So that one is I guess it worked. Again, thank you for watching. That was an update. Until the next time, peace.